This is our first break of the night. We have two breaks tonight, both baseball. First one is going to be this 2021 Pro Debut Hobby and HTA kind of mixed break. We've got 3 boxes of Hobby and 2 boxes of the HTA. All the spots were auctions were won and paid for pretty quickly, so I appreciate that, everybody. And all your names are up there on the screen. At the end of the break, I will do a quick recap of all of the hits and kind of low-numbered stuff. So if you're watching this video and don't want to sit through the whole break, you can just fast forward to the end, and there will be that at the end. So good luck, everybody. Actually, sorry, let me open this up real quick. Some top loaders going. All right. Without further ado, let's get this thing rocking. Yeah, I like Immaculate too. I mean, I don't love the fact that it's for baseball. It's not licensed, but it's always their cards are always nice. Pretty product. All right, we'll start here with here. This is what I'm gonna do. Start with a Hobby. Give ourselves a little bit of room here. All right, good luck, everybody. Oops, calm down. All right, so it's kind of funny. I looked at the checklist on this one, and I like that C.J. Abrams is on the front, but I don't think he has a base auto in this stuff, in this product. At least, unless I completely missed it. All right. Good luck, everybody. I'll go through. I'll just show the first pack. And then I'll do what I normally do, just fly through and create stacks. But here's what since it's the first time we were doing this, here's what it looks like. You got Nova, Franklin, we got a blue, Eric Pena, nice. Those are the 150, right? Yep, for the Royals. Should have opened up my sleeve bag too. I don't know. It's going to be interesting when Fanatics does. I don't know if they're going to like purchase Panini and Topps and keep their brands, or if they're just going to buy them and keep the distribution and manufacturing together. I don't know what's going to happen, or if Fanatics is just going to go after their own cards. I think if Fanatics has a monopoly on the card market, it's going to be a detriment to the hobby, personally. But Kioloa with the got Hunter Green, Jordan Walker, Libator, and Burns. All right, so that's just showing the product there. Now we'll just rip into them. Yeah, I mean, monopolies are never really good for anything. Usually for quality, it's not good. For I don't know what else. Pricing is usually not good. If they cut out distributors altogether, that's not going to be good. Because I guarantee you they're not going to pass those savings on to the retailer. Or to the, not retailer, but to the consumer, which is ultimately us. So I don't know. I'm a little wary about what's going to happen, but we'll see. I can't imagine they would just do away with the Topps brand just because it's been around for so long, especially with baseball. I don't know how the baseball purists would react to that. So, all right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Yeah, they do. For Panini still has their license for, I don't know, probably just as long as football does. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Brian Mata, Heat insert, just a regular insert. I'll sleeve a few of them. Wander Franco, Bobby Witt, Hudson Haskin auto. For the Orioles, it looks like. There's some guys here who I'm not going to know. Yeah, it says CCL Orioles. There's some guys I'm just not going to know if they don't have the team name on there. So I'll have to look them up, but hopefully they at least have the mascot affiliate in there. All right. There we go for the Orioles. First auto goes to Real 5555 on the Orioles. Tommy. There's a Julio Rodriguez. Probably should sleeve that one. There's a Wander Franco. There you go. First Wander. These are just Thomas and Brian Mata. Okay. All right. Lots of base. Huh. A little bit. Yikes. All right, got some insert here. Oh, triple of, this is one of those major scale, the different levels of the minors Wander Franco insert for the Rays. Again. Let me just make sure that wasn't a parallel something. Nope. All right. Grant Levine, Clayton Beer. There's a Torkelson. Franco, Witt, and Torkelson will probably be just the three that I top load. Here comes a green of Nick Bitsko for the Rays to 99. 98 of 99. And the Rays is Gulf Coast card. I believe it's Breakers at the end there, but it was too long to fit in there. Sorry. Brewer. I'm hoping that any of the Elvis Martinez, the variations are backwards or something. There's an Adley Rutschman. Dolo. Homer. Brett Batty. Josiah Gray. Heat. Insert. Tista. Tina. And Robert Hessel. All right. Yeah, I hope they save his regular rookie for next year, though. Yeah, it's too bad, too, because he has what looks like decent handwriting. It's just like half of his. Oh, okay. Yeah, most people do watch on YouTube now who get into my breaks. A little bit more anonymity. I don't know if that's why, but... Alright. Second half of box, hobby box one. There's a Blaze Jordan rookie for you. I guess they're not really rookies, they're prospect cards. Alright. Alright, good luck. We should have 3 or 4 autos. Yeah, 3 more autos to go. Angel Acuna. Gabriel Moreno. That should be for, God, I want to say the Blue Jays. Lansing Lugnuts. I'm fairly certain that's the Blue Jays. Gabriel Moreno, I think he was in, what, 2020 Chrome? Bowman Chrome? Unless he's been traded. I don't think it's going to say on the back. Oh, there you go. GCL Blue Jays. There you go. All right, Blue Jays. Kialoa again. Congrats. Second auto, I believe. Or no. No, sorry. You had the Pena blue. All right. Could be mail. There's your Blaze Jordan. That one in the insert pile. Oh, Mauer. Beard. I do like that you're basically seeing all the Bowman Chrome guys all over again, which is kind of cool. Major scale of Nolan Gorman. Cardinals. Another Jordan Balazovic. Heat. Pete Crow Armstrong. Abrams. Jung. Pawson. Man. All the, to 99, Brett Batty for the Mets. There you go, and the Cyclones. All right, green. Mets is Higgis, 1967. Congrats. The one guy I wasn't sure with the Mets who was in here is if Francisco Alvarez was in this stuff. His cards have been going bananas in Chrome. All right, and that is 83 of 99 for the Mets. All right, one more auto. There's Bobby Witt. I really need to get all these out of here. All right. There's Jared Kelnick. I still think his last name should be Kalenic. That sounds way better. Power, first power insert, Joshua Mears. Just the regular insert. Nick Gonzalez. Smalley. Nolan Jones. Kenzie Gore. And AJ Vukovic for the Diamondbacks. There you go, Diamondbacks. And C.H. Moore. All right. I think I'm going to go back and forth between the hobby and the HTA. C. Martin. Vlad Sr. Day. Duran and Hallett. All right. There's box one. HTA time. So I guess the difference is that you get one. I thought it was so odd that you got one less auto in HTA because it's obviously usually the opposite. But I think the Chrome cards must be the kicker. And oh, these are only 6. So let's do that way. All right. Good luck, everybody. 6 packs. Shoot. I'll save the last HTA till the end. Sorry. Kind of jumped the gun there a little bit. Oh, you're right. So there's Chrome in the middle of every pack. Hendrick. Major scale. Kelnick, excuse me. Mariners, Tomei. All right, here's our Chrome. Naylor, Valdez, Rodriguez, Brown, Lipschitz, Kerstad. That looks like that is to 99 on that one. Look like a hollow foil. Not hollow foil, silver. As 23 of 99 for the Orioles. And real. Yeah, I'm seeing that now. Alcantara. And Spear. All right. I didn't realize there was only 6 packs in this. I didn't even look. All right, here we go. There's an orange. I don't know if that's the same low number as you get in pretty much all other Topps stuff, but good luck. Beard, Grayson Rodriguez, and Mario Feliciano 250 gold. God, I want to say the Brewers, but I'm probably wrong. You know, I'm not. Brewers. Gold /50. Oh, come on. Brew Crew. C.H. Moore. There you go. All right, Chrome, Campbell, Warren, Knack, Gonzalez, and sideways for the Astros, Tyler Brown. There you go. Orange. That is 9 out of 25. The Astros and Lil One 2630. Or I should say 2630. There you go. Numbered out of 50 and 25 in the same pack. Not bad. There you go. And 9 out of 25. Davis, Abrams, and blah, blah, blah. All right. All right. Pack 3. No autos yet. Green, Walker, Burns, Batista. What is the number? Sorry, 758. Okay. Does anybody know if the... Oh, there we go. Justin Lang auto for the Padres. What is this from? 1990 or 91? Gold, 49 out of 50. For Como. Congrats. Oh, okay. Are they backwards, do you know? Because it was hard for me to decipher. Noelve Marte Chrome. Workman. Looks like we got another gold of Brett Batty. The Brett Batty break so far. Auto to 99, and now, well, bronze, gold, 12 out of 50. I do like the parallels in this stuff is kind of nice. Got lots of low-numbered stuff. There we go. 12 out of 50 for the Mets. And Higgis. Okay. Jung, Strider. It's kind of like the opposite. Usually they're like hitting, and then the photo of them like laughing or something is the... so I'm going to pull these out. Is the variation. This time it's kind of the opposite. At least from what I was looking at beforehand. Alright. JT Ginn, Tana, Hassel, Annie Baylor, Lodolo, Major of Royce Lewis, and Heat of Hunter Green. And our next auto is for the Indians, or the Guardians, Milan Tolentino. Go. Milan. And Como. Second auto in a row, I think. Yep. There you go. Base auto. All right, Chrome, Rivas, Alcantara, Beater. There's a Torkelson. Vizcaíno, and a Justin Turner, I believe is the silver to 99. Yep, for the Cards. Never heard of this guy before. Justin Turner, 51 of 99. Oh, it's just one a case. Okay. Brown. There's another Blaze Jordan. So that's 2 for you. 2 in 2 boxes. Angel Acuna. All right. 2 packs left. All right. Here we go. Is that a red? Or a backwards auto, maybe? Dingler, Blade, Grissom, Duran, Green, Maurer, and Jeff Criswell to 150, blue, non-auto for the A's. You got it, number 2. That one is 22 of 150. TCT Rex. All right, Victor Mesa Jr., Lodolo, Holmes, Rutschman, Palmer, and an Aqua of Aaron Sabato for the Twins. I don't know what those are going to be numbered to. 199 or 75. 43 of 75. There you go. And Abel, Manning, Nova, Franklin, Palmer, and batting. Okay. Put a consequence on that one. I think that we've had 3 autos, so there shouldn't be an auto in here. There's a Bobby Witt Power insert. Oh, we do have another auto. Did I miscount? I must have. Carson Tucker for another one for the Indians/Guardians. Go, and Como, I believe. Yep. 2 back-to-back Cleveland autos. That is not numbered. Spinal, Brujan, Gray, Brown, Moreno, and a nice Brujan to 99. 54 of 99 for the Rays. Harris, Rutschman, Symbolis. I don't know if I said I was going to do his, but Austin Martin, our first one. And Green and Orelvis Martinez. All right. So we're going to save that last HTA box for the end. And we'll do the 2 hobbies next. All right. All right, hobby box number 2. Good luck, everybody. All right. Well, if it's 1 per case, I would hope that they, now that I think about it, I hope they would have it as a backwards card, personally. At least have it stand out. All right. Here we go. First half of hobby box 2 and total box 3. All right, good luck, everybody. There's a Marco Luciano. A Hassel. Walker. Our first insert is Brian Mata Heat. Mauricio. Our green of Bo Naylor. That should be Bo Naylor. I thought he was up in the bigs already. For the Indians. Weird. Okay. Unless it's a different Bo Naylor. And that is Como. All right. Vogel. All right, we got Nick Swiney for the Giants. There we go. First auto for the Giants. Como again. Man, crushing it with those 3 teams as of now. No huge names, but Rosa, Tucker, Rodriguez, Martinez, Martin, Carroll, all this, and another Austin Martin. All right. Shoe. Swear these are starting to all be in the same order. Brick. Daddy Harris. Rutschman. Another Wander Franco. Major scale. Insert. Rays. Pawson. Sabato. Alcantara. Getting dizzy. Bisco. Nueve Marte. Groshans, Josiah Gray. What's up with Groshans? Isn't he a shortstop? And they already have Bo Bichette, Julio Rodriguez, and now Martin too. Or did Martin get traded? Didn't he? Wander Franco. Sorry, I just had a little brain thing there. Henry Thomas. All right. Second half. Same thing as last time. 1 auto in the first stack. 3 in the second. I think I concur with you, man. HTA definitely is a better pull. 1 less auto, but the color's quite a bit better. And not as much just base to run through. About half the amount. Yeah, he got traded to the Twins, didn't he? His cards will still go to the Blue Jays because I believe he's in his Blue Jays minor uni. But I believe he got traded at the trade deadline for Barrios. But I could be wrong. All right, here we go. Second stack. Good luck. Let's get something exciting here. Xavier Warren, auto for the Brewers. Not quite exciting. Base auto. C.H. Moore. I'm really having issues lately getting those cards in the top letters. Torkelson. Howard Gorman. Gosh, see, they even have like Workman and Torkelson doing like the same damn thing in their photo. All right, blue coming up of Nick Lodolo for the Reds. I think he's still on the Reds. To 150, 125 at 150. Dayton Dragons. Dayton's in Ohio, right? So that'd be okay. Well, it should be Reds. I'll just verify that. But Reds is Zeus Spader. Scano. Nolan Gorman. Insert. Bailey. Askin. Balazovic again. Man, they're really making us wait here on these autos. Reno. Day. Duran. Then Jagger Hayes to 50. Gold auto. Literally never heard of this guy. I feel like I'd remember that first name. For the Pods. Again. And Como. Congrats on the gold auto. Gonna 38 out of 50 on that one. All right, one more. Give us some color. Oh, that was that was just got a gold one. Soderstrom, Taylor, C.J. Abrams, Joshua Mears Power, Kelnick, Cassis, orange of Casey Schmidt for the Giants. 2 out of 25. All right, Casey Schmidt pulled a ton of his autos out of Bowman's Best last year. That one is 2 out of 25. There you go for the Giants. And Como, Waters. Spread the love around here a little bit more. Alexander Vargas. So we got another insert auto. Alika Williams for the Rays. I've never heard of him either. Rays, Gulf Coast Guard, Breakers. Not quite the Ray we wanted. There you go. All right. Kelly, Turning, and Westberg. All right. One more hobby box to go. Then we'll do the final HTA box. Just patience. We got 2 more boxes to go. There'll be something in there. But I do understand that feeling. Thinking like, all right, I got the first one. I'm gonna run a train on this break, and then over half the boxes later, you're like, man, haven't had another one yet. Interesting how they're mixing in the 2021 Topps look with the, I don't want to say probably 1991 look maybe. Is that what that is? Oh, come on. There we go. I feel like that's our first Garrett Mitchell I've seen. Could be wrong. Probably am wrong. I thought you, well, I know you only, I think you only got the one auto, but I thought you could hit something else too, didn't you? Oh, just the Eric Pena blue. That's a good blue to hit, though. But I'm sure you're looking for the Bobby Witt with that team. Alright, here we go. Second box. Last hobby box. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. All right. Lots of base here. Adams, Kelly, Terang, Pena, Slim, Grayson Rodriguez, Heat. Kerstad, Bailey, Hence, Reno, Warner Blakely at a 150 blue auto for the Angels. Angels is Miss Squishy. There we go. 3 out of 150. Julio Rodriguez, Wander Franco. Gosh, that's like our third Wander Franco, I think. I think we've only pulled like one of the other guys. Patino. There's Griffey. Gomez. Brian Mata. All right. Good luck. Again. SodaStream. Here's a gold. Oh, Casey Schmidt. Hey, what do you know? Building rainbows. There you go. You can go after the rainbow now. You got the orange and the gold. Oh my gosh. What's going on with me lately? For the Giants, Como, 16 out of 50. All right. There's a Torkelson. Looks like it got miscut there a little bit. I don't know if that's how the other one looks, but you can see those two little spots right there and right there. It's kind of weird. Looks like it's kind of running up here too. I mean, it's just a base card, but Luciano, Matt Manning, insert. Look at this. Mitchell, Garrett Mitchell, Hassel, Kelly, Richardson. There's a Bobby Witt power. Oh, the dude's got a lot of power. Green, Walker, Tour, Abrams. Got blue coming up here. There's Jung, Ratio, Brown, Blaze Jordan again, and Brian Mata for the Portland Sea Dogs. That must be Portland, Maine. I live in Portland, Oregon. Portland, Maine. So who would that be? I don't know. Doesn't say. That's when I'm gonna have to look up. I'm sure somebody knows. Doesn't say. Doesn't really give me any indication. Salem. That must be team up in the Northeast. Let's set that aside just so I remember to look it up. Increase. All right. Yeah, 3 of them now. 3 and 4 boxes. Too shabby. No, I'd agree. Alright, a few more packs, and again, still should have 3 autos. So if you're going through these boxes of hobby at your local, your LCS, and they open a fresh one, grab the packs from the left side of the box, the middle and the left. Alright, good luck everybody. Here we go. David Calabresi for the Angels. Back-to-back Angels autos. It's kind of becoming a theme here. Teams are hitting twice. Me Squishy. There you go. Base auto. And Brujon, De La Rosa, Tucker, Rodriguez, Spino, Victor Mesa, Lacey Carroll, Alcantara, Riley Green, Scales, Crow, Hendrick, Noel Van Marte, Heat of Hunter Green, Cabrera. Green is going to be of Logan Gilbert for the Mariners. That one I know. To 99. 85 and 99 for RS95627 in the Mariners. There's Bobby Witt. And Cody Henry. And Cole Henry. All right, 2 autos left. Good luck. Ben Hernandez for the Royals. There you go. I know it's not Bobby Witt, but there's your second auto now. Kialoa. There you go. Comic. There's a Nomar. Got one more auto to go. Rutschman. There's a Wander Franco Power. I think that's the first one of those we've gotten. So, green. I don't. Here it is. Another, there you go. /50. How's that for $30? Boom. Bobby Witt, gold. Very nice. Congratulations, man. Now everyone's going to start complaining. All right. There you go. Bobby Witt, 24 out of 50. Congrats, man. Very nice. You got it. That one will go to the side. That'll go to the photo array. Blade. There's going to be much left here. Cunha. Franklin. I'll tell you, one guy I could not stop getting out of Bowman Chrome was this dude. Glenn Allen Hill Jr. haunted me so much in, what was it, 2019? I think he was in. Yeesh. Maybe you got it. All right. Now you can relax. Now you can relax and take in the last box. HTA. Good luck, everybody. One more box to go. 6 packs. Good luck. A bunch of stuff in here. All right. Our first auto, I think, is coming up behind this Mackenzie Gore, and it is Tanner Burns /99 green. Oh, it's not an auto. Sorry, Tanner Burns for the for Cleveland. Just green. Forgot that the ones in here aren't necessarily autos if they're backwards. Can't even tell what that... 75 of 99. There you go. Yeah, oh, I hear you. Jordan Adams, Acuna, Richardson, Detmers, and Spencer Strider. For the Braves. These are out of 75, I believe. Yes. 2 out of 75. 75 and lower. We'll get our... Alright. Get a top loader. Remember, I will do a brief recap at the end, just to give you an idea of the hits and all that stuff. Alright, good luck. Oh, Robert Posson auto. That snuck up on me. For the A's. One is going to TC T-Rex and the Oakland Athletics. Yeah, the chromes are nice. Did they do the same thing last year? There you go. Not numbered. Garrett Mitchell and Michael. Oh gosh, I don't even know. Michael McAveen /99. for the Emeralds. I believe this is this the Eugene Emeralds, so that's close to me. 95 of 99, and that is Eugene. Who are they for? I don't even know. That might be another one I gotta look up. Eugene Emeralds. That's about an hour and a half from where I live. It's gotta be somewhere in the Northwest, I would imagine. I don't know if it's the Mariners, though. Cubs, okay. So not even close. Cubs is BRG. Another Blaze Jordan for you. Is the fourth Blaze Jordan. Luis Acuna, Abel. All right. 2 autos left. Got a gold here coming up. Gold chrome, I should say. Witt. Toss that away. Sorry. Give me 1 second. There we go. Hosey. Cody Hose. Scale of Riley Green and Andrew Jones. Franklin. Nolan Jones. Rotor. McLean. And good luck. It's a hitter. It is Bryce Terang for the Mudcats. 46 out of 50 on the Terang. Looks like he's the Brewers. At least he was with the Brewers in in Wisconsin. Drafted by the Brewers. So there you go. Well, Brewers. C.H. Moore doing more work. 46 out of 50. Cassis. Abrams. Jones. Strider. Kelly. All right. All right, last 3 packs. Good luck, everybody. We should have 1 more autograph, or 2 more autographs. Excuse me. One's going to be here. Walker, Liberatore, Burns, Batista again, Tina, Hassel, Swiney, and Nick Gonzalez for the Pirates. Nice. Base off. Oh, it's the variation, I bet. This has got to be the variation. 784. Oops. That's not going to do it. 758. Yes, it is for the Pirates. So, no, not the auto. But you still get a variation there. Very nice. Of course, I just run out of top loaders. So after this pack, I'm going to have to break a new pack. Pirates is Jahome. Congrats. Xavier Edwards, Vargas, Frasso, McAble, Bush, and Adinso Reyes for the Tigers. To 99, 85 and 99. There we go. Kate Austin Martin. Let's see. Tigers was sacking 81. Green, Martinez, Casey, Sanchez, Schuster, and De Jesus. Oops, I put the chrome in the regular toss. All right, give me 1 second. I just need to break open this top loaders real quick. Should have realized I was going to go through them. All right, last 2 packs. Should have 2 autos, I think. Yes. No, there should be 3 autos, so I'm assuming we're going to have these last 2 packs should have autos in it. Would be my guess. There's definitely one in here, I think. Well, it's backwards. Where's Dingler? I guess that... Oh, no, it's frontwards, which means it's an auto. A green one. Adley Rutschman Power. And the wrong tiger, Dylan Dingler. Man, that would have been nice to have a Torkelson come out. Dingleberry, 31 of 99. For the Tigers, and sacking 81. There you go. And we got a gold or an orange or something here. Tolentino, Kelnick, Gentry, Manning, Amaya, and a hitter for the Cubs, it looks like Jordan Nwogu. For the Cubbies. Orange to 25. 20 out of 25. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. No worries. There you go. Where's this? Okay. All right, last pack. Let me get this. I ran out of sleeves, too. Oops. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Last auto. There better be an auto in here. Looks like we got one. All right. Carter, Beard, Rodriguez, Lewis, Riccio, Mayo, Green, Nolan Jones, Tristan Cassis, and our last auto is going to be for the Giants, Jairo Pomares. I'm not sure if, how exactly he pronounces it, but for the Giants. Another Giant. There you go. That's Como. All right. Last Chrome. Lewinsky, Brewer, Ake. There's a Blaze Jordan Chrome. There you go. Let's leave that one for you. Swell. And Colin Barber to 75 for the Astros. 66 out of 75. Pomares is? I'm assuming that's who you're talking about. All right. For the for Lil One and the Astros. And that is going to do it. All right. If you give me a second, I will do the quick recap. Thank you, everybody, for joining. I appreciate it, as always. You guys were awesome. Getting payments in so quickly. And generally being very easygoing. It's not always the case. So it is definitely appreciated. Oh, I got to look up this guy, too. Give me a second. I'm going to look up. Thank you. I appreciate it, Raptor. Brian Mata. I'm not exactly sure what the Sea Dogs are with. Just give me 1 second. Brian Mata is Red Sox. All right. So this one will go to Raptor and the Red Sox. There you go. Blue. All right, let's do a recap here real quick. Lots of gold and lots of orange. All right, let's do this, that. Okay, cool. Yeah, I might do a case of it. I don't typically do this product, so it's kind of new to it, but I do like it. It's fun. It's fun breaking. And I agree, the HTAs are pretty awesome. Comparative to the hobby. Just for breaking purposes, the hobby just gets a little tedious. Okay, here we go. All right, non-autos. We had one variation of Nick Gonzalez for the Pirates. To 150, blue Eric Pena. We had more 150s, but that was kind of the biggest name. Chrome Aqua to 75, Aaron Sabato, Spencer Strider, and Colin Barber. Gold non-chrome. The hell was this? Oh, that's weird. Okay, sorry. Gold non-chrome to 50, Feliciano and Casey Schmidt. And then chrome gold, which these cards don't even look like the same color, to be honest. This one looks way darker, but they're both out of 50. Is Brett Batty for the Mets and Bryce Terang, Brewers. And then we had 3 orange, 1 base tops, Casey Schmidt, 25. And then we had for chrome, we had Tyler Brown and Jordan Nwogu. All right, on to the autos. Oh, they took out the relics. Got it. Okay, that's probably better. Base autos of the Topps 2021 Topps variety. Gabriel Moreno, AJ Vukovic, Milan Tolentino, Xavier Warren, Nick Swiney, David Calabresi, Robert Posson, Jairo Pomares. Not sure if I'm pronouncing his first name right. And then these, I believe they're 1991 version. Hudson Haskin, Carson Tucker, Alika Williams, and Ben Hernandez. Blue to 150, Werner Blakely, Angels. 2 green to 99, you have Brett Batty for the Mets and Dylan Dingler for the Tigers. And then 2 golds of Justin Lang for the Padres. And again for the Padres, Jagger Hayes. And then our big hit from the break was this nice gold Bobby Witt Jr. Topps Auto 2450. So congrats to the Royals for that one. All right, thanks again everyone for joining. I appreciate it. I hope to see you all back again next week. And we'll bring our Immaculate Break up next. Thanks again, everyone.